Hi, I'm Michael Yap from Seagrass Guardian, Malaysia. I'm a marine biologist working on seagrass ecologies, conservations, and also restorations. I've been doing seagrass restorations through transplanting and also pushing conservations of seagrass as one of the approach to mitigate climate change. Okay, so today a question direct to me is why saving seed of seagrass is not ideal for tropical countries. First of all, in tropical regions, most of our seagrass bed are multi-species, which means that several species of seagrass coexist together, and the highest numbers have been reported is 7 species of seagrass in single seagrass bed. So this poses a challenge when we want to collect seed of certain species in this multi-species seagrass bed. And it also requires high amount of money, time, and labors to conduct this. Because it requires personnel to snorkeling or even diving in deeper waters, and it takes time to identify for the specific species that we are looking for and to find if there are any mature seed that can be collected. And most of the species, the seed pod is located near to the sediments or the seafloor. So it's quite well camouflaged for some species, and it is required time and trained personnel to identify and collect those seeds for storage or even germinations for restorations.